Eddie and Jean met and fell in love. Eddie and Jean got married and bought a house. Eddie and Jean were going to have a kid, but didn't. So every morning, Eddie kisses Jean. Eddie leaves the house, and Jean's alone.
능력 있는 남편을 만나 남 부러울 것 없는 삶을 살아가고 있는 주인공 진. 그래서인지 살림에는 통 관심이 없는 그 흔한 가위를 어디에 보관하고 있는지조차 모르고 있었고.
Eddie, come on. Eddie, have you seen the scissors?
Hey, you're wearing it. Looks real good on you.
Who's that?
He's our baby.
There were still some tags.
Oh, she gonna say something?
Is some kind of sick joke, Eddie? Because I'm not really in the mood.
It's a baby, Jean.
I can see that.
It's all worked out. He's our baby.
어디서 납치라도 해온 건지 떡두꺼비 같은 아이가 눈앞에 놓여져 있었는데요.
Yeah, you can.
Where did you...
I'm not that, Jean. It's your baby.
What's his name?
It's up to you.
그렇게 졸지애한 아이의 엄마라는 역할을 떠맡게 되지만 문제는 육아에 대해 그 어떠한 준비도 되지 않은 데다가 관련된 지식도 전무했다는 사실. 그럼에도 자신이 할 수 있는 최선을 다해가며 아내와 엄마라는 두 역할의 일상을 살아가고 있었죠.
I get it. Hey, I'm not gonna be home tonight. You'll be all right? That's my little cracker.
Eddie.
What?
Nothing.
Don't worry about it so much. Your ex are terrible anyway. Hey, come on. Come on.
그런데 그날 새벽.
Jimmy.
You're okay?
Yeah? Why? What are you doing?
No one's here.
What are you talking about?
Something happened tonight. We have to go. Come on.
Why are you in Eddie's closet?
We don't have time to pack. You can get stuff on the way. You'll work out with Cal where you're gonna go.
The hell is Cal? Where is Eddie?
Just 200 grand.
Is Eddie okay?
You give him 10 grand right away, and you can work it out from there if he
I
stays
told you
with
to
you.
tell me all of that. Jimmy? Jimmy, stop. Please tell me what's happening.
Just take the bag, sweetheart. Go wake up the kid.
I'm Cal.
그렇게 영문조차 모른 채 도망자 신세가 될 수밖에 없었죠.
All Eddie said is he wouldn't be home. And then I wake up in the middle of the night and what's going on or who you are. He's never like this. He knows something isn't right. Like, even if you're trying to hide it, they know how you really feel. You have your own?
No.
You know what Eddie is, right?
That he's a thief?
Then you know what's going on.
Look, I don't know who you are.
How you and the baby stay safe.
Harry.
Sorry?
You said the baby. I thought you might like to know his name. Is he okay?
I don't know.
You work with him?
I used to.
Jimmy said we'd figure out where I'm going. I have a sister who I can call.
No sisters, no people.
하루아침에 도망자 신세가 되어버린 데다가 그 누구에도 연락을 해서는 안 된다는 이해 못할 제약들.
Nice house. Near a park. I like to take walks with a stroller.
그렇다고 언제까지 내 주장만을 내세울 수도 없는 만큼 결국 현실적인 선택을 할 수밖에 없었는데요.
Why isn't it lit?
Been told it isn't good for me.
So what's the point?
It helps.
Good thing he's drinking.
If it's easier to feed him, I could step out.
What do you mean?
But
Oh, it's fine.
그런데 그날 저녁.
Burning up. I think we need to go to a hospital.
people ask questions. Hospitals need information. We can't, Gene.
문제는 얼마 지나지 않아 병원 관계자들부터 의문의 방문객들까지 이들에게 의심의 눈초리를 보내고 있었다는 거죠.
Don't look back.
Ma'am, are you all right?
He had a fever, but
Get
much.
out of the car.
What's the problem? Wait, Cal. I don't understand what's happening.
Just do what he says.
Sure you're all right?
Yes,
This man isn't bothering you? Why are you with this man?
he's my husband. Is there a problem?
Why were you sleeping in your car?
We're sorry, officer. We had just.
I'm
almost-
asking her.
We're moving to a new house. We were so excited, drive all night and sleep there. But then around, I don't know, around what time was it again, dear?
Around 1 or 2.
2, he started to get tired, and I was so worried, his fever, so I made him pull over right away. It's my fault, officer. Do you have kids? You know how mothers can be. It won't happen again, I promise.
Make sure it doesn't.
I didn't know that I could lie like that. What?
I made a white baby. Kitchen stocked. Yeah, dining room. Television. Your room and the baby's room all set upstairs. There's a telephone in the drawer of your nightstand upstairs. In an emergency, you take it out, plug it in. You call this number. Okay? And you're not to talk to anyone. No friends, no acquaintances.
Why are you telling me everything?
I'll
like
be back when I can.
Jimmy said you were going to help us get
Jean.
set up, and I've never been on my own. I just need a minute to...
This is the way things have to be.
But Eddie would want you to stay with
I'm
us.
doing the best I can. Let's both just do the best we can.
Who did all this?
Eddie still has friends, I guess.
What do you mean, still? Cal. What about the park?
There is no park.
늘 든든한 울타리가 되어주던 남편의 생사는 알 수 없고 그나마 나를 케어해주던 칼마저 떠나가 버린 상황. 그녀가 할 수 있는 거라고는 외부와의 벽을 높게 쌓아 올린 채 아들 해리에게 집중하는 게 나름의 최선이었고 도무지 변화라고는 찾아볼 수 없는 다람쥐 쳇바퀴와 같은 일상이 반복되던 그때
Hello.
Hello? It's your neighbor? No, I didn't mean to frighten you. My friends lived in this house for years. It's nice to see someone new here. I'm Evelyn.
Mary.
Nice to meet you, Mary. I live 2 doors down. My husband passed a few years ago. If you ever need any help, anything.
Oh. Thank you. All right. Goodbye.
What's your baby's name?
Harry.
Harry and Mary.
몇 달 만에 나눈 누군가와의 대화였지만 자꾸만 되살아나는 칼의 조언들 결국 그녀 스스로 마음의 빗장을 걸어 잠그게 되지만 지금의 진에게 가장 절실한 건 나의 고민과 일상을 함께 나눌 수 있는 존재. 인내심은 점차 그 한계를 드러내고 있었는데요.
Candygram. When my daughter moved away, it was hard again. When the television's on, I forget I'm alone.
This was delicious.
Oh, it's easy. I'll give you the recipe.
I'm a terrible cook.
Do you mind me asking, is Harry sleeping through the night?
I'm sorry. Do you hear him crying? I'm trying to keep him...
No. It's just, you seem exhausted.
I'm so tired. I'm so tired all the time. I swear I hear him crying when he's asleep.
What happened to your husband? I'm prying. Where's your bathroom?
Upstairs at the end of the hall. Didn't you said your friends lived here? The bathroom.
Gosh, you're right. I guess I'm getting old faster than I thought.
이내 곧 불안함이 엄습하기 시작하죠.
Evelyn?
Are you all right? Good night.
고립된 생활에 먼저 손을 내밀어주고 말 못할 고민까지 걱정해주던 존재. 아무리 도망자 신세라지만 인간으로서의 도리를 저버린 것만 같은 설명할 수 없는 죄책감을 떨쳐낼 수 없던 그때.
Evelyn.
Sit down. Where's Eddie? We know.
I don't know anything.
Shut the kid up. What the is wrong?
I have to stand up.
No.
It's okay.
Cover his ears.
You can't just kill someone.
Someone who what? She saw me kill those men.
She was innocent.
Might have worked for them. She might have tipped them off. Are you? She was dead the moment you invited her in. Try the finger.
Won't work.
하루아침에 도망자 신세가 되어버린 여자와 이 여자를 지켜야만 하는 남자. 이 모든 것들이 이성적으로 설명되지 않는 만큼 두 사람 모두 지쳐가고 있었죠.
I can't have children. Eddie said he didn't care. That wasn't why he wanted me. He said he loved me and we would figure it out, but we couldn't adopt because of his record. And then one day he walks in with a baby. I said, "Who is that?" Eddie smiles and says, "He's our baby." This girl was in trouble. Eddie paid for everything. Her father was going to disown her, but Eddie put him right. Eddie said everybody's life got saved that day. I think about his mother. I think about her all the time. Do you have anyone?
What?
You wouldn't tell me anyway. Once I found out I couldn't have a kid, I stopped wanting it. Thought maybe it would be better. I shouldn't bring a baby into a life like this. Eddie's a criminal. I told myself that's why I kept losing them. That's why they wouldn't stay with me. But I really did want it more than anything. I just had to keep living. And then in walked Eddie with a baby. This is no place for a child.
Does he laugh?
What?
Do you make him laugh?
The hell are you talking about?
If you've heard him laugh,
Of course I've heard him laugh.
well, then you know.
He laughs. Especially when
On what?
I do this thing when I'm singing. I don't know, he likes it. It's not even a song about babies. And now that I'm talking about it, I'm realizing it's actually pretty weird.
Do it.
He's asleep.
I'll get the idea.
Looking out on the morn, so uninspired.
하루아침에 등 떠밀리듯 맞게 된 아이였지만 사실은 그 누구보다 아이를 간절히 바랐던 만큼 어느새 나의 분신과도 같은 존재가 되어버린 상황. 어느덧 지옥과도 같은 일상을 버틸 수 있는 원동력이 되어 있었고 그렇게 한참을 달려 인적이라고는 일도 찾아볼 수 없는 곳에 닿을 수 있었는데요.
Okay.
First time for everything.
Some more cans in the pantry once this runs out. Some old clothes in the wardrobe. There's a water pump out there, enough wood on the side of the house. There's no phone. There's never been any trouble, but just in case. Grab the table, move it that way. Where's my hiding place?
This was your family's.
I'll be back soon.
You're not gonna leave me.
Do you have a better idea?
What about the money at the house?
That money's gone, Jane.
Don't you have money?
I worked for Eddie. I'm not Eddie.
그리고 마침내 그날의 진실에 대해 들을 수 있었죠.
Eddie killed the boss, Marvin. The night we left, and Marvin's guys went over to your place, killed Jimmy. Now no one knows what's what. It's all I know.
Eddie would never kill anyone.
Eddie's a killer, Gene. He has been for a long time.
Where is he now?
I don't know.
You swear?
I really don't know.
You do have someone. There's someone who told you those weren't good for you, and they told you that because they love you. He didn't have a name. Harry. I named him Harry. No reason. I just liked the name. When I was pregnant the longest, I named the baby Harry. I never told anyone. How long do you think it's gonna be?
남편이 생계형 도둑인 줄 알았는데 알고 보니 갱스터였고 알 수 없는 이유로 조직의 보스를 담가버렸다는 충격적인 이야기. 그동안 충분히 먹고 살만했다는 이유로 세상과 주변에 대해 너무나 무지했었다는 사실을 깨닫게 되고 하루에도 수십 번씩 길목을 바라보며 칼이 돌아오기만을 손꼽아 기다리고 있었는데요. 문제는 누가 보더라도 그건 칼의 차량이 아니었다는 거죠.
She found my hiding place.
She sure did. I'm Terry. This is Paul, and that's Art. Terry, Cal's wife. Why don't you get out of that hole? Help us unpack.
That's...
Cal's dad. You're Eddie's wife.
You know Eddie?
Yeah, I know Eddie. Paul, and then go check the wood, baby.
Eddie used to work with Cal. He wouldn't tell me much.
Cal's a smart man. Don't worry about Cal.
Almost out.
이들이 칼의 가족이라는 점에서 비로소 안도할 수 있었지만 그럼에도 좀처럼 해소되지 않는 남편과 칼의 관계 그리고 지금의 내가 처해진 상황.
I just want to get back to sleep.
Now I know where Cal gets it.
He's good with the baby. Terry said her first husband was no good.
I was gonna feed him.
No, we don't eat in the middle of the night. It's best he learns that.
When Paul was little, he had to live in this old hotel.
The St. Francis.
I remember that.
Why?
It was safe for us.
There is to spare. I may bring
You know the prayer of St. Francis.
the one good thing I kept from Catholic school. What did you do to the peas? They're the ones from the can. They're delicious.
Salt, pepper, some butter.
하지만 지금까지의 모든 의혹이 생각나지 않을 만큼 이곳에서의 생활에 완전히 녹아들 수 있었는데요.
Are you married?
I was passed about 4 years ago.
그렇게 모처럼만의 여유로운 일상을 살아가던 그때
I'm about to take out a gun. You ever use one?
My husband wouldn't even let me drive the car.
Listen, anyone can learn to shoot. The hard part is what you actually do when the time. And when you practice, and you think about pressure and alignment. Yeah, get used to the weight.
Why did Art show me how to use a gun?
Paul, can you go outside and find Grandpa? There were some guys outside our apartment. After 2 more nights of it, he packed up and sent us away. Said he'd be right behind us. I just thought you should be prepared for what comes next.
What comes next?
I don't know yet, but I've been through this before.
Art said something the other night.
What?
Eddie was your first husband.
Art told you that?
I put it together. Eddie did the same thing to you before Cal, except it's worse because we have a kid.
Nothing's worse for you.
You don't know that.
Yeah, I do.
Eddie never told me he had another wife. He never told me a lot of things.
That's what they do.
문제는 곧 따라오겠다던 약속이 무색해지는 칼은 좀처럼 모습을 드러내지 않았다는 거죠.
Terry, something's not right. We need to find Cal and Eddie. I am so sick of everyone telling me what to do. What? What?
I was gonna leave. I was gonna leave when I was sure you were all asleep. Of course I know Cal's in trouble.
Sorry.
Art was gonna tell you in the morning.
I'm going with you. And you can't stop me. So I'm doing this. I'm coming.
살림에는 관심이 없고 초등학생도 쉽게 할 수 있는 계란 후라이 하나 제대로 하지 못하는 그녀였지만 이제는 해리라는 꼭 지켜야 할 아이의 엄마가 되어버린 지도 어느덧 수개월. 세상은 결국 혼자이고 그 누구도 나의 인생을 대신해주지 않는다는 점을 깨닫게 되고
Those two dark windows usually leave a light on. Put this in your pocket. We have to go somewhere. When we're there, I need you to listen to me, okay? And we're gonna need some different clothes.
Hello there, gorgeous. One?
Thank you.
많은 인파들로 인산인해를 이루고 있는 어느 클럽에 닿을 수 있었죠.
See that guy over there? That's Mike. Stay here, okay? And keep to yourself.
It's an old firecracker.
How are you?
Never thought I'd see her again.
How do you know her?
She used to be married to a guy I know.
Eddie?
You know Eddie?
She just told me about him.
That was some shit.
What?
Oh, you don't know? Watch yourself with her. She took everything from me, and I mean everything. Started a whole new life and a new family. Kept it far away from this. Just never thought I'd see her again.
Something's going down.
Paul is Eddie's son.
Not now, Jane.
Why didn't you tell me? Eddie would keep me in the dark. It's like you, just like Cal, but I don't believe it. Is any of this real, or are you just like the rest of them?
Stay here.
드디어 내가 모르는 진실에 한 발짝 다가설 수 있을지도 모른다는 기대도 잠시. 에디가 저지른 배신의 후폭풍이 온 도시를 뒤덮기 시작. 마빈의 조직을 흡수하기 위한 세력 간의 다툼이 장난 없었고, 남편과 칼에 대한 정보를 얻는 것 대신
Room 12.
내 목숨 하나 겨우 지켜낸 것에 만족할 수밖에 없었는데요.
I came back for you, but you were gone. Eddie and I had Paul the year we got married. And after that, I found out what he really did. I wanted to leave. Eddie promised me that his next job, it wasn't. And it never was. Cal was Eddie's guy. But he didn't want it, not the way Eddie did. But he was always there, even. We started confiding in each other. Eventually, we fell in love.
It was Eddie you were hiding from when you were here.
We came without a plan. We got restless and we left. That's when Eddie found us. Let us go without getting something in return. So we made a deal. But one day Eddie would call. Cal wouldn't be able to say no.
That was me.
That was you. I work at the university, and Cal's at a moving company. Paul thinks he's his dad. The guy Mike at the club is a real piece of things have been like that since Eddie killed Marvin. But going there was the best option.
What do you mean?
If I'm right, word will get to Cal that I'm in the city. And once Cal knows that, he'll find us.
Mike works with Eddie.
They did some jobs together. Then Eddie shot his ear off.
So what do we do now?
You wait.
그렇게 몇 시간이 몇 년처럼 느껴질 수밖에 없는 기다림이 계속되던 그때,
Hello?
Terry, there's some men out front. We can go out the back.
I'll meet you there. Jean, no matter what you hear, keep walking.
마침내 몇 개월 만에 칼과의 만남을 가질 수 있었죠.
Where's Terry?
She said she'll meet us here
Paul and Harry?
with your dad at the cabin. Are you okay?
Eddie's dead.
I'll get a job, an apartment, maybe someplace far away. Harry can grow up there. I know everything. Cal. Do you need help?
I'm all right.
Did Eddie do that?
He was dead before I got there.
에디가 결혼 내내 거짓된 이중생활을 해왔고, 그 결과 나와 해리를 사지로 몰아넣은 장본인이라는 잔인한 현실, 남편의 죽음이라는 슬픔 대신 칼과 테리가 무사히 돌아온 것에 안도할 수 있었고,
We have to get back to the kids.
이제는 폴과 아트가 기다리고 있는 보통의 일상으로 돌아갈 시간이었는데요.
Someone's following us.
그런데 문제는 그건 어디까지나 진의 일방적인 입장이라는 점.
He's gone.
마이크에겐 아직 해결하지 못한 문제가 남아 있었다는 거죠.
Gil. Terry. Terry.
Terry. Terry.
Is this her? Shut the
What's happening?
Shut the Eddie's wife! Jesus Christ! Did I not tell this to shut? It's nice to finally meet you, Gene. I'm sorry I didn't know that was you in my club. Where's Eddie?
Eddie's dead.
Gene, don't do that. Lie to me. Don't you know? This is the moment this can all be over. You have to do.
손에 물 한 번 묻혀본 적이 없는 공주님의 삶을 살아가던 여인이 그동안의 부귀영화가 결국 사람들의 피로 만들어졌다는 점을 깨닫게 되고 자신의 목숨을 부지하는 데 그치지 않고 여자에서 한 아이의 엄마가 되어간다는 성장을 그린 작품.
Okay. I killed Mike.
그동안 여성의 자아 발견과 주체적인 삶으로 나아가는 영화들이 많이 있어왔지만 대부분의 소재가 불륜이라든지 동성을 향한 사랑 등에 국한되어 있었던 만큼 개인적으로 무척이나 신선한 발상이라는 감탄을 금할 수 없었는데요.
Gene. It's all right now. Your mom and dad are outside. Okay. We're gonna play a game. You have to close your eyes and you can't open them till I say so, okay? You can't look back. All right, Paul. There's a big one coming up, okay? Well, keep them closed.
게다가 영화 내내 총성이 울려 퍼지는 폭력적인 세계를 비추고 있지만 진이 발사하는 단 한 발의 총알은 그 누구를 향한 복수가 아닌 지켜야 할 누군가를 위해 어쩔 수 없는 폭력이었다는 점과
You're not supposed to look back.
지나치게 전개가 느리다는 대중적인 평가 대신 그것조차 진이 겪고 있는 내적 변화와 성장통의 시간이라는 걸 알기에 하나부터 10까지 모두 만족스러웠던 작품. 여러분들은 어떠셨나요?